Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to tell you something very interesting. That is a chatbot like a chatgpt, and you have to not log in. You have to not verify yourself. You have to just go to the chatbot and prompt whatever you want. So how to go there? You have to just go to the Google and you have to write iask.ai and you have to search it, and you will get this one on your screen. And whatever you write your, I should say, your prompt, you will get your desired result. For example, I write here, write a note on Newton's law. So I will search it. I will search this prompt and it will give me this one, the amazing result. So that will work awesomely for you because it doesn't need any login, it doesn't need any verification. So hope it will help you. So thank you so much for listening me. Have a nice day.